Alright, y'all, I know it looks real crazy, but we're going to trust the process. I'm going to go ahead and spray some more heat protectant and hot comb this and flat iron it. I have 4C hair. I'm going to see if it'll blend in well with this, since it's like a what is this, Dominican body curl. I don't know, we'll see. It looked thick on the website. I thought maybe I could blend my stuff. We will see. I went ahead and put it on off camera because the rest of my head looks mad scary under here, so that's why I did that. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb it and see if I could blend it, and we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, y'all, I look like a freaking cone head. I was trying to do the little trick that the girls be doing, putting stocking caps over their hair, but my hair texture just doesn't match this. On the stock card, the hair looks excuse, oh shoot, let me not drop my camera, y'all. The hair looks a little more coarse than it actually is. So this is a silky texture. It's like medium silky, like medium coarse, like in the middle. So I feel like this wig is good for someone that has thin hair, because my hair is already reverting in the front. Like, it would be really cute if my hair would just cooperate, but it's not unless I put a perm in it, and I'm not doing that, y'all. I haven't had a perm in years, and I don't plan on putting one in my hair just because I wanted like a silk press type of look. I probably should have got a kinkier wig, but it did look coarser on the stock card. So I think it's very easy to work with. It's lightweight. The style is really cute. Like I said, if you're someone that has short hair, this is definitely not short hair. And I know y'all see that flake right there. My hair is flaking up so bad. If you are a person that has thin hair, this would be great for you. Y'all, my hair is so flaky. So this is like a fail, but that's the whole purpose of trying different wigs out, to see what works and what doesn't work for your hair. My hair is in braids, so that's why I looked really short over here, because I only had my like edges out or whatever. So yeah, this is an affordable wig. I think anyone that has thin hair, this would be good for you. For me, no, because my hair texture doesn't match. Now, if I do want to wear this out, I'm definitely going to wear it as like a headband wig or with a hat, because that's the only way it's going to look cute. Because this leave out, it's just not working. But if you have thin hair and you have relaxed hair, I think it would be great for you. It's just not good for me, and I should have known that when looking at the wig. But sometimes you get a wig and it's not what you expected it to be, but I think it's beautiful. Let me go ahead and talk about the construction really quick, because I didn't do that. So it's kind of like your standard U-part wig. So it has two combs on the side where it's open, a comb at the back so it's secure, also a comb at your nape, and then it has two combs on the side, and then it had the elastic, not elastic band, it had the adjustable straps. So this would be very, very secure without putting any bobby pins, and it's also big head friendly, so it's not one of those small U-part caps that you have to struggle with. But if you have silky hair or relaxed hair, or you have thin hair and you don't want to keep putting the heat on your hair, but you're going for this look, this is the wig for you, baby. I did a side part, it's not working for me, but I definitely would recommend it to someone else because it is cute. It's just not, my hair is just not blending. And like I said, I'm not putting a perm in my hair just so it can blend. I'm not doing that. So yeah, y'all, I have it in a color natural black, and it comes in a variety of colors. So if you wanted it with highlights, you could get it with highlights. If you want to want it jet black or natural brown, they have that as well. In the Big Beautiful Hair collection, I have a lot of wigs and I have clip-ins from the Big Beautiful Hair collection, so maybe I'll show that because it does match my hair in another video, because I got them a long time ago and I could tell y'all what I think about the clip-ins, so I'll do another video on that. And this is also a human hair premium blend, and it feels like it. So Outre has been doing a lot that I noticed with human hair blends, and it feels good. I mean, it feels like African American, like fresh, permed, blown out hair with some curls that they took with them old school curlers, honey, and they combed you out a little bit and they sent you on your way. That's what this looks like. So I would recommend it to anyone that's looking for a U-part, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money on a U-part wig and you're going for this style and you don't feel like curling hair every day. This is the girl for you. Just not for me, because my hair is reverting already, y'all. But I wanted to show y'all this, and I wanted to try it out too. But this is just a reminder that, girl, your hair is not relaxed and you can't wear stuff like that. Look at it. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put on a headband or something to finish this video, because this, I can't do it. This is gonna be like a nighttime. I'm about to do my skincare type of video, because, girl, this hair, my hair is pissing me off. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I can't. I don't want. This is crazy. I've had some failed hairstyles on my channel, but child, this one is kind of doing it for me. I hope y'all could get a good kiki out of this one, because she's not working. Now, see, this is cute. If I want to record some skincare content, because you can't tell. There's, well, maybe a little bit right there. But anywho, I'm about to go to sleep. I was not feeling good, but I was like, girl, you need to film this last video and show these folks this other hair you got. So, for everyone that has watched 5 days of Wigmas with me, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing, liking, and engaging with some of the videos. I really appreciate it, because I've been gone since last year and popped up and decided I wanted to do Wigmas again this year. I enjoy doing Wigmas. This was a fail for me, but it might not be for you. Thank you to everybody that watched 5 days of Wigmas. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Y'all take care. Bye.